You're still young, but you've seen some things. So let me ask you to put on your wise sage hat and give advice to young people, whether they're fascinated by technology or fascinated by fighter jets, whether they're fascinated by sort of engineering or the way the stars look at night. What advice would you give them? How to have a career they can be proud of, or how to have a life they can be proud of?
I'd suggest that they don't fear looking foolish. I spent a large portion of my life considering the laughter or the comments at my statements as indication that I shouldn't pursue that. And so, I kind of woke up to that fact a bit later, but I would encourage, I would advise that people, trust in themselves and trust in the things that they care about. It doesn't matter if they're good at it. All that matters is that they find something that they can apply love and care to, and they will grow better at it. And they'll most likely make the world better because of it.
And don't be afraid to look stupid.
Don't be afraid to look stupid.
Yeah, that's one of the things that I think as you get older, you're expected to have it all figured out. And so you are afraid to take on new things. But I think as long as you're always okay looking stupid and having a beginner's mind, you can get really, really far, even later on in life. So this isn't just advice for young people. This is really advice for everybody.